Hi guys, Nick Moe here today from Mark Supply 88. Today I have for you a 2005 Bobcat S300 rubber tired skid steer loader. This is cab heat air. It is a gold package with power bob attached, and it is 2-speed. And the hours are very good, 2,603 hours on 5,000. The machine is in good mechanical condition. However, I don't like some of the paint it's got on the front. We're going to show you around this machine. It does everything it's supposed to do. Go ahead, we're going to go right here back to the engine compartment. In the back of the machine here, before I open it, the door is all original and it is straight. Okay? Both lights work, which you'll see later on in the video. This isn't a painted pig like you see online. I could have had it painted. I didn't want to do that. It's just an all original machine. Other than the black has been touched up, which we did here. Unit has, like I said, 2,600 and 3 hours on it. It's been in our shop. We've serviced it. New Napa battery. Both air filters, fuel, engine oil, hydraulic filters have all been changed. This is actually for your engine oil drain hose right there. It's supposed to be up in that compartment. It is cab heat air. Like we said, everything there seems to be working perfect. Has good heat in it. It'll roast you out. But these particular engines, this should be a 3300. It is 3300 DI. They were an excellent motor. They're an 81 horsepower, 4-cylinder turbocharged, and I'd put that thing up against a 4-cylinder Cummins any day of the week. They're a very tough engine. I've seen some of them. I've actually owned some with, I had one that had 16,000 hours on it. It's just unbelievable. They're just an incredible running motor. But we'll go ahead and shut this. It latches just the way it's supposed to. Coming around, we put 4 brand new tires and wheels on it. Again, the only thing that's touched up is the gray. None of the cylinders have any leaks that we found, but you'll find this just typical Bobcat white powder coat the way it is. Just pointing it out. Coming up front, you will see we put a brand new CID Extreme 80-inch low profile bucket on it. It does have power bob attached, which we will show you works. Up front here you have your auxiliary hydraulics, attachment control device, advanced attachment control device to run like a power angle sweeper or a chipper or a snowball or anything like that. The front door's in good shape. We put a new rubber seal around. The only thing I've ordered from Bobcat is right here. The wiper arm was broke. I've ordered one of them, waiting on it to come in. They're on back order. Just waiting for it to come in. The thing we did know that didn't work was the washer pump wasn't working properly. And again, it does have power ball attached, and there is the gold package sticker still on there, what you can see of it. We're showing you this front concrete spotter. There's nothing I can do about it. It is what it is. I'm just pointing it out to you so that you know it, know what it is. Don't be surprised. If you're looking for a good running mechanical machine, here it is. But if you're looking for something that's a beauty queen, like you see on eBay where they paint stuff up, that's fine. That's the machine then for you. But this side matches the other, and it is a 2-speed. I'm going to grab the camera, we'll jump inside the cab and show you the interior. This unit is a dual control machine. When I say dual controls, it's going to have foot controls, just like a standard old conventional Bobcat will, and then it's going to have all hand control, okay, in an H pattern, such as bucket up and down, curl and uncurl, and steering on both hands, okay. So if we go ahead and shut this door, which the sensor is working, pull our bar down to start. We're running. 1,080 RPMs is idle. We're right up here. We're going to go to active warnings. No active warnings. Okay. There is a splinter in that glass. I don't know why, but it is. There is no error codes in this machine whatsoever. If we come over here, you're going to see 2,603 hours. Push and hold. No error codes. None. All the lights work. It does have bucket positioning. It is not a high flow machine, so you know that. That comes in every machine. It didn't mean it had it. That's for your auxiliary hydraulics. Of course, over here you'll have your heat, wiper arm switch. Fan works good. Like I said, it'll roast you out. There is the air switch. We know that the compressor is running. It hasn't been very cold here. We can't test air conditioning. And here is your 2-speed button. And again, does have 2-speed. so everybody can see it. I don't get a million questions. We're going to reach up here. I'm going to push, we're on foot controls now. I've released it. And you're going to see me move my foot, and the bucket's going down. You're going to see the bucket curling off my foot. Now, we're going to reach up here, change that to hand controls. You're going to push your button again. All lit up. There you can see me putting the bucket up and down. Okay? Now you can see my other arm curling and uncurling the bucket. Now you know that both controls work. I don't mean to be that way, but there's a lot of people not as honest as I am on the internet, and I try to show everybody everything. So there you can see both controls work the way they're supposed to. I'm going to go ahead, restart the machine, and we're going to put it through all its paces. We'll show you the 2-speed. I'll put it in the pile, show you everything there works. And here we are, right in winter time, and the snow is flying. It's hard to find a good cab machine, especially with 2-speed. taking the bucket off the power Bobcat, showed you that that's worked. I showed you that both controls are working, standard foot control or the hand control. Again, not a brand new machine, but to replace this machine today is 65 or 70 grand. And again, this concrete spatter, some of the white paint's chipped up. If that bothers you, I can't help that, but wasn't going to take it painted or do anything there. Just a good, honest running machine. There's no aftermarket welding on it or anything. I think I've priced it fairly cheap. Any questions? 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. As always, happy